The first step for setting up your integration is to make sure that your Kodak software and hardware are installed properly. To do this, open up the dental imaging application from your desktop. Select a patient from your patient list. If you do not have any patients in your database, you may add one. Click the 3D button located on the top toolbar. You should see the Kodak 9000 3D module open on your screen. If you see this screen, you can continue on to the rest of the setup. The configuration settings for your CBCT machine in TDO need to be done on each workstation that will be accessing volumes. Go to Administrative on the top menu bar, select Edit Control Table, click your Workstation Settings tab. Under the CBCT Settings area, select Kodak for your software. The default image category will be the category your images will be saved into whenever you take an image from the CBCT. You can select a category already on your list or add a new category such as CBCT Images from the Program Setup menu within TDO. You may leave the Kodak TW path blank. The KDIS application path needs to be pointing to where your Kodak software is installed. By default, this should be located under Program Files, Kodak, KDIS 3D Module. The volume path location needs to be set to a drive on a machine that all of your computers are networked to the same way and have access to. This is going to be where all of your 3D volumes are stored. There also needs to be enough hard drive space to hold the size of these volumes. If you happen to have volumes that were taken through the trophy bridge from TDO before this integration was completed, these volumes can be synchronized into your patient charts so you can access them directly from TDO. If this applies to you, please contact TDO tech support representatives and they can run the synchronization tool to link those volumes in. To start the process of taking a scan, be in the patient's chart that you wish to take the scan for, click your Acquire button on the top toolbar, and click the CBCT button on the top. This will load your Kodak integration, opening up your sensor program. Once the scan is taken, you will see this message show up on your screen asking you to wait while the volume is being saved. Please do not use the computer for anything while this process is being completed. Once the volume is saved, you will see the 3D icon on your Image Acquire window and the volume will open up automatically. You may take screenshots of the volume by clicking the camera icon on the left. By clicking the button right now, it's going to take a picture of the whole right-hand side of my screen with all 4 images. If I wish to take a screenshot of an individual image, I would click the Maximize button above that image. The image will go full screen, and I can hit my screenshot camera button again. No other step is needed to bring the image into TDO. You don't have to go through the Acquire module, which is a huge time savings. Minimize my image to bring it back to my main screen, and I can maximize another image. Take my screenshot and minimize. When I close my Kodak imaging software, go back to my image organizer, I can see all the screenshots that I took. If you wish to reopen the volume, all you need to do is in your image organizer, double click on any of your screenshots or the 3D icon image. If you wish to annotate any of your images, this can be done easiest by using the TDO draw page. To open one of your screenshots into the draw page, move your image organizer slightly out of the way, go to Main Data, Draw. Your draw page will open in the background. If you single click on any of your screenshots, it will load behind on the draw page. I can click on the blank right-hand side of my draw page and then click a second screenshot and it will load on that side. I'm going to close my image organizer and now I am at my draw page. You can put text, drawing, any type of annotations that you want onto your image. Once you are done annotating, you need to save this image as a new image. So I'm going to click my Save As button, select my proper category, and then click Save. By following these steps, when I go back to my image organizer, I can see my original screenshot plus my new annotated image. Now these screenshots are very powerful because any of these images, whether they be screenshots or your x-rays, can be used to email to the referring doctor, can be included on any letters or reports sent out to any doctor or the patient. We have added an additional section to the TDO backup application that allows you to back up your CBCT volumes. Any image copied and pasted as a screenshot from your volumes into TDO will be backed up automatically through the normal backup process. However, to copy the volumes as a whole in the backup, you need to set up the CBCT section at the bottom. It knows where your volumes are located based on the way TDO was configured. However, you need to tell it the location you wish to back up the volumes. This can be the same location as your server backup, or it can be a different location. This portion of the backup will run when you manually run it or with the normal scheduled backup. We hope this tutorial gave you a good overview of setting up your Kodak CBCT integration. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact TDO Technical Support, as we are here to help you in any way possible. Thank you.